this channel. So today we'll be doing this makeup look for this New Year's Eve. We're gonna say bye-bye to 2020 because it's been very hard for us, for all of us, and welcome 2021. And for starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. So the first palette I'm going to use is the Morphe 35C Chic It Out, and for the transition color I'm going to use this color right here, which is called Chic It Out. I'm just going to apply it on the upper crease, and this is going to be our transition color. Doing the same thing on this side of the eye. It's going to be with the same palette. It's called Weekend Plants, and it's this color right here. Just going to apply it between my crease, and believe almost 2020 it's over. I can't wait to be over and just basically start fresh. I know it's been hard for all of us, so I'm doing the same thing on this side of the eye, just blending that color. Now moving on to the outside of the lid, I'm gonna go with just called Total Mood, and I'm just going to tap this in just to make sure I just not going too far away. The color a little bit towards the middle of the eye. I'm just doing the same thing on this side of the eye, just blending those harsh lines. The next color I'm gonna go is with this color over here, which is called Call Me Gorge. Apply this on my lid. I think I'm going to apply it like this. I'm not going to use any concealer. I just want to see how it's gonna look with the other. Hopefully it's gonna look nice, because then I can't go back. Doing the same thing on this side of the eye. Again, applying it on my lid. Now moving on, I think for the last part of the eyes, the upper part of the eyes, we're gonna put some glitter with the Nutcracker shadow palette. This is the new palette, the new holiday palette from Beauty Creations. I did a video on this with the whole PR box. I bought the whole PR box. A makeup look with this palette for the first time. I'll leave the link down below on my description box. I did this for my Spanish and also for my French channel, and of course for my English channel, so leave those 3 links in the description box below. To go with Magical Dance, which is this beautiful color. So I'm going to apply this with my fingers, and I don't think I'm having the right color, the right dress, but I'm just going to apply this with my fingers, and it's so pretty and so pigmented. I'm just gonna drag the entire eyeshadow to my lid. That was not the plan, but we're gonna do it like that. I'm wearing the proper dress. I'll be back because I'm not wearing the proper dress. Okay, now I'm feeling the proper dress. Just doing the same thing on this side of the eye. We'll fix whatever has to be fixed later on, but doing the same thing on this side. I'm moving on to the face because my dark circles are really bad. I'm just going to apply really quick some red concealer. To have more coverage, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brightening Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade 10, in the shade Fair number 10. And I'm going to apply on this part of my face, especially underneath my eyes. Even though I already applied some orange concealer, I just want to have more coverage underneath. I'm just going to blend it with my fingers because it is a super creamy concealer. You don't need really a beauty blender. For foundation, I'm gonna go with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. This is in the shade Medium 80W, and I'm going to just put some pumps like this on my face. I'm going to blend the foundation. For contouring my face, I'm just going to apply some falsies, and these are from Ardell. I just don't remember what number because I can't find their box anymore. But these are from Ardell, and I love all the lashes from Ardell. While we wait for the lashes to dry, I'm going to contour my face. I'm just gonna contour my face. Now we wait for the lashes to dry, so it's like 2 in 1. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put some concealer. I always like to put some concealer before contouring my face, and I forgot to do that. Oh goodness. Okay, so I'll do right after because I don't have another choice. So for concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Here, this. I chose this concealer. I have the Maybelline, no, not the Maybelline, the Covergirl, but I chose this one because it has more coverage. I'm going to apply some eyeliner. So this is the e.l.f. and I'm going to, I don't know if you guys will able to see because I really need to be close, but I'm going to apply on this part of the eye. So the eyes look more finished. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Air Volume Mega Mascara from L'Oreal. If you haven't seen my other videos, I always mention, in case you're new, that this is a new mascara from L'Oreal, and we tried this for the first time and also did a video on this. So I'll leave the link down below on the description box if you haven't seen that video. The brush, I'm just basically fixing the line of my lid and applying more of this magical dance on my eyes, because you can't have too much glitter when it's New Year's Eve, right? To finish with the eyes, I'm going to get again with a flat brush. I'm gonna get again, what do you call this color? This is from Morphe again, Total Mood. Yeah, Total Mood. And apply this underneath my eyes just to finish the look. The mascara on my lower lashes. And now I'm gonna go with the setting spray. This is from Milani. It's the Fruit Fetish Make It Last in the scent Mango Coconut. I'm gonna get the Urban Decay Afterglow. You guys know I love this palette, and I'm gonna go with the color Cliche and just apply this on my nose, Cupid's bow, and la nariz, a little bit on the chin, and of course on the face. I'm gonna get Wicked. Should I get Wicked? No, I'm gonna go with ONS. And put just a tiny bit over here. I think I'm gonna get ONS on the inner corner of my eyes just to give an extra touch. Oh yes, we needed that extra touch. Now for the lips, I'm gonna go with the Beauty Creation lipstick. This is in the shade Cheer, and this is the new one from Beauty Creations from the holiday collection. Just going to give some glitter on the lips because I don't want it to be super matte. I'm gonna go also with their holiday collection. It's called Mistletoe. Is this lip gloss. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. At the end, it was not the pink makeup look that I planned. Then after it wasn't really that pink, I started to have in mind, and we changed a dress, we changed the whole thing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. My hair is like cuckoo. I'm wearing the proper dress. I'm real very